Hello, Richard here from Eagle6 Airsoft. We're going to be doing a quick test of this Marui URGI. So URGI 14 inch 14.5 NGRS. So a lovely gun, one of my personal favourites. I just like the length of these. It has had a full upgrade package on it, so we've got So we've got upgraded tightbore barrel, which is the Prometheus 363mm wide bore cut one. It's not wide, sorry, wide cut tightbore. It's 6.03. We've got the we've got the Eagle6 upgraded mainspring. We put the Psionic kit in. We've got the FPS bushings. We've got the Prometheus hard gears. We've got the Eagle6 upgraded recoil spring. We've got the FPS spring guide, FPS piston head, FPS piston, the carbon fibre one. We've got the FPS cylinder. We've got the FPS cylinder head, FPS air nozzle. We've got the Prometheus tapper plate. We get on quite well with those. We've got the Solink helical gears, the bevel, which we've installed on the Solink Adjustable motor. We find it has the fastest trigger response out of sort of all the brushless motors. We've got the Laylax frame pin on the side here. We have the gate Titan installed. We've got the F Factory hard locking ring on the back here, and we've got the Prometheus bar conversion kit, which we've put in here to allow obviously the Dean's connector to fit, and then I just 3D printed a cover to go on the end there, and yeah, that's I'll say ready for testing. So we've got 0.3s we've got tested on, and it's 276 on the 3s, with 286 being the limit, and we've tested it at range and we're happy with the performance. So I just want to demonstrate it working now. So trigger response is obviously really quick. So adjustable motor, we've took it down from 46k down to 33k. I find that a nice rate of fire without obviously pushing the gun, too crazy. But yeah, I mean, it is adjustable, so if you ever want to take the motor out and adjust it, yes, you can do, but just at your own risk. There we go, so all tested, all working. We hope you enjoy, and thank you very much for the purchase.